y'all, my name is Holly. Welcome back to my channel. Today, Dhruba and I are going to get a Christmas tree. We're going pretty much really right across our pasture, and that's where the tree farm is. We have never been there before. We have never had a real tree, and we're pretty excited about it. We are here. Woo! We have Addison with us. She's going to be our videographer for today. Camera girl. We are back home from picking out our most perfect Christmas tree, and now we're about to deck the halls in here. We have our tree. It's a little full. We've got to cut it down a little bit, so give us just a second. We have our Christmas tree up, and now we're gonna decorate it. It fit perfectly. It's a little bushy.
Little full.
A little full. So this is all the stuff we have. This is my tree topper every year. I made this out of sticks in the yard. It's an M, and then I use these sticks that I got from Hobby Lobby that have like little icicle touches to it. And then I was gonna use these bulbs that I got from Walmart, but whenever I said I was doing an old-fashioned tree, Drew asked why we were not putting colored lights on it. So I think I have an idea. I have to go to the store to get more colored lights, but I think I'm gonna put colored lights and these white ones on there, and then I can just change it up. When I want the colored ones, I can have them on. When I want the white, then I will just have the white. And then next, here's some of these green ornaments I got from Rustic Relics the other day, and Mom got me these from the thrift store. So I'm going to put these on there. And then also, I didn't dry oranges because it would have taken too long, and I knew that I could have got these at Kirkland. So I got these. So it has the dried oranges, apples, and I think there's some limes in here. I'm just going to use the oranges and the apples. I'm going to use some cinnamon sticks. And then you saw that we already strung some popcorn. So I'm excited to get this together. Okay, this is it so far. I did not think I was gonna do this, but I am. So I am doing the colored lights, and then I'm doing the big white lights. I thought I was gonna have it from either having the white or the colored, but I actually don't mind them together. You can't really tell on film. I'll show y'all at night what it looks like. Maybe I'll show y'all tonight with it all lit up. But I think it's gonna be pretty. Like, I don't even mind like the new and what's in style. I kind of like the old-fashioned kind of tackiness of it. It's just, I don't know, there's something that's making me excited about having an old-fashioned Christmas tree this year. Here it is. It's all decked out. It is like totally old-fashioned, and I love it. So I have the dried oranges, and we have the popcorn. I have some bells on here, the colored lights. Drew and I, like one of our first couple of years of being married, we made these for Jep and Maddie. And then this one for us, Drew and Holly. I bought some of these candy canes that y'all saw that were there that were crocheted by Mama. And there's the bells. And then our tree topper. So I love it. It's definitely not the most trendiest Christmas tree, but I have always wanted to do an old-fashioned one. And so I thought this year was perfect since we were going to get our first real Christmas tree. And then I love our mantle. Reminds me of like old-time Christmas. So we have the old clock. And then I got this garland from Hobby Lobby, and I just stuck some twinkle lights in it, and then some oranges, and then these mercury glass I got from Amazon. And then these stockings, I got these at Home Goods. And then these name tags at Varied Grace Design. It's local to me. She made these little name tags for us. And then I just got a poinsettia here from Walmart. And then just the pine cones and fire starters over here that I was going for this year, which was the old time Christmas. So I am so excited how this turned out. Okay, y'all, my Christmas home tour should be coming up pretty soon. So if you're loving these kind of videos and these little decorate with me videos, the thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And then also, y'all comment down below and let me know. So this is, like I said, our first real tree. And so I want to know how many of y'all usually get real trees, or do you usually get just your fake ones to put up every year? So I'm anxious to see what we'll be doing next year as far as getting a real one, if we can keep this one alive, or if we'll be getting another artificial one next year. Hope that y'all have a great rest of your Thanksgiving long weekend, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.